We into Hatchapee. 730 square feet. Just get it. They had a floor glued down, which is a no. You don't do that. So we're taking up all this floor and the tile. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Here's how it looks. All the way down to down here. Yes, sir. All that. Let's get it. Almost. Oh, shit. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Looking a lot better now. What tile? Damn, not gonna feel hurts from the vibration of the jackhammer. Shit hurt. All of this, baby. Yes, sir. Oh, missed one. All right, we're back. I think I got the keys over here. So all this is gonna have to be grinder and prep. Pretty beat up. I'm gonna take those out real quick. Prep today. Get some installation done. Move this out. The test prep right here. And over there. Where the vacuum's at. I'm gonna take care of that today though. Here, bro. Stop forgetting your ball ruler. Alright, some prep work. Still need more. Still need a lot more. Shut up. All the things down here. Still need more. This is about the third layer. It's pretty flat now. Some more over here. That's what we got. It's a little more down there. All that. Done. All that over there ain't done though. Okay, sure. Damn.
Will you put it on YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Take a picture of my dogs and
Oh, you got it. I'll take a picture of them so we can remember them.
the dogs will probably run outside again.
They're outside chilling.
Yeah, I know. I keep trying to bring them in here, but they escape.
When they cook, looks nice.
See, you advertise separate from Empire, huh?
What was that?
Or separate from Empire?
Yeah, Empire they just hired us to give us jobs, yeah.
Most of these countries are at a standstill, so they got to work towards us. It's a process toward agreement.
It was pretty damn good.
Yeah, it came out nice.
This stuff wears pretty good, huh?
Just don't use a lot of water when you're cleaning it.
Just use hot water.
No. Don't use a lot of water. The mop has to be real damp.
Does it?
Yeah, because if you use too much water, you'll mess up the material.
Good to know. I usually wash with hot water.
Yeah, don't use a lot of water because,
Warm, huh?
yeah, it has to be really damp. Sir.
I've never seen any more water around it.
He's putting all that back.
I washed that dishwasher. I didn't see any more water.
Oh, yeah, it's not leaking no more. They're gonna do the baseboards.
You know, you guys could probably put the lighter ones. You can put 2 or 3 light ones in there in the back of my truck, and then put a couple of light ones on the back.